Hi everyone, this is Ene here, and in today's tutorial I will teach you how to draw the TikTok logo in Affinity Designer. As you can see, the logo is made of the anaglyph of the music note. For those that are not familiar with the concept, an anaglyph is made of the superimposition of two images of the same element in different colors. So to get started, we go to New and we create a new document, and we give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. So we are going to start by drawing the lower part of the logo. We are going to do it with the donut tool, so we take the donut tool. We set the fill to black, the stroke to none, and we go ahead and we draw a donut, and we give it 670 by 670 pixels in dimensions, and we set the whole radius to 46%. And now we center it vertically. And then we take the rectangle tool and we go ahead and we draw a rectangle. And we give it 180 by 722 pixels in dimension. And then we position it here so that its lower edge matches the middle of the donut. And then we're going to create this part of the note. So we take the donut tool again. And then we go ahead and we draw a donut. We give it 865 by 865 pixels in dimensions. We set the whole radius to 59. And here the total angle to 90 degrees. And then we are going to rotate it. So we press on Shift to rotate it by increments, by 15 degrees increments. And then we rotate it until it is like this. And then with the move tool, we position it right here on the top of the rectangle. And then we have one more step to have the music note complete, so we need to remove the part here. So we take the rectangle tool again. So we draw a rectangle and we give it 109 by 404 pixels in dimensions. And then with the move tool, we position it right here to the left of the other rectangle, so that its lower extremity matches the middle of the donut. And then we press Shift to select also the donut. And then we go here to subtract to remove the rectangle from the donut. So now we have the music note that is created. So we select it all and we press Ctrl G to group. And then we center it in the middle of the composition. And then we press Ctrl J to duplicate it. We move the upper note slightly to the upper left side, like this. And then we need to change the colors of both notes. So we set the color of the upper note to pure red. So pure red is FF0000. And then we set the color of the lower note to pure cyan. So pure cyan is 00FFFF. And then the last step that we need to do is to change the blend mode of the upper note to multiply. And this creates the anaglyph effect. So that's it. So you learned how to create the TikTok logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.